Welcome to the in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first we should slide at the same time to the center with our fingers, and after that you'll see here the transitions icon. After that we can see that we have selected the default one. We can switch it to one from these available animations. For example, I'll go with this one. Just to set this transition, we should click to the home button, and now we can see that we just successfully changed the animation. If you wanna go back to the default one, by the same way, after the transitions, click to default, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.